breezes out there, huh?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Not really.
Yeah, right. At least you get shade a little bit.
Yeah. Want me to hop out or no?
If you want, I'll come up here and turn around for you.
Alright.
What's your name?
Matt.
Matt, I'm Dexter.
Dexter. We filmed a couple other trucks. We filmed 2 other ones in Burlington. Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, it's pretty interesting driving on the left side or the right side.
All the trucks I've been inside are Max.
Oh yeah? Yeah,
I got AC.
Yeah, no, not in these ones. I wish. I got a little dinky fan.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna... He's done this before.
There you go. Yeah. You're a natural.
It really makes the truck shake.
Yeah.